Immerse yourself in the allure of the Bahamas, a tropical paradise where the turquoise waters kiss the sun-kissed beaches. Picture this, a dream vacation filled with stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, vibrant culture, and a rich history that tells tales of pirates, explorers, and ancient civilizations. Whether you're a sun worshiper, an adventurer, or a history buff, the Bahamas offers something for everyone. So pack your bags, put on your sunglasses, and get ready to explore the top 10 must-visit places in this Caribbean gem. Starting at number 10, we have Nassau, the vibrant capital city of the Bahamas. This bustling tropical metropolis is a paradise of culture and history. Its streets are brimming with colorful markets, offering a kaleidoscope of sights, sounds, and scents that can leave one dizzy with delight. From the handcrafted straw items at the famous straw market to the local spices and tropical fruits at Potter's Cay, Nassau's markets are a treasure trove of unique finds. The city is also home to a plethora of historic sites, from the iconic Fort Charlotte to the Queen's Staircase, each with their own fascinating tale to tell. But what truly sets Nassau apart is its exquisite local cuisine. Mouth-watering conch salads, spicy Bahamian stew fish, and the sweet, rich guava duff are just a few of the culinary delights waiting to tantalize your taste buds. A visit to Nassau is a delightful blend of relaxation and adventure. At number 9, we have the largest yet least explored island, Andros. This elusive paradise is an oasis of biodiversity, home to a spectacular collection of marine life that thrives in its expansive coral reefs. As you dive into the crystal clear waters, you'll encounter vibrant coral gardens teeming with tropical fish, all in a spectrum of colors that would put a rainbow to shame. Andros Island isn't just about the surface beauty, it goes much deeper, quite literally. The island is riddled with mysterious blue holes, underwater sinkholes that beckon the adventurous. Each blue hole is a world of its own, hiding secrets of the deep and offering a unique diving experience. Andros Island is not just a destination, it's an experience, an adventure. It's a place where nature's beauty unfolds in the most unexpected ways, where every corner holds a new surprise. So pack your bags, grab your snorkel, and prepare for the journey of a lifetime. Andros Island is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Coming in at number 8 is the Exuma Cays Land and Sea Park. This oasis of beauty and biodiversity is a marine-protected area in the Bahamas, spanning a remarkable 176 square miles. It's a place where the sea is as intriguing as the land. Beneath the surface, you'll find a vibrant marine environment, teeming with fascinating creatures. Coral reefs, home to myriad species of fish, create a kaleidoscope of color in the crystal clear waters. On land, you'll encounter a diverse range of wildlife. From the indigenous Bahamian iguana to rare bird species, there's a world of wonder waiting to be discovered. But let's not forget the famous swimming pigs. These adorable creatures are one of the park's unique features. They've learned to swim out to meet boat visitors, creating a delightful spectacle that's truly one of a kind. This park offers an unforgettable encounter with nature. At number 7, we have the charming Harbour Island. This gem of the Bahamas is renowned for its unique pink sand beaches, a captivating sight that leaves visitors spellbound. Imagine miles of blushing sands kissed by the turquoise waters of the Atlantic, creating a mesmerizing contrast. But that's not all. Harbour Island's allure extends beyond its natural beauty. It's a place frozen in time, with well-preserved colonial architecture peppering its landscape. Stroll down the narrow lanes lined with quaint, pastel-colored houses, their wooden shutters throwing back to the island's British colonial past. This island is a haven of serenity. Its tranquil environment invites you to slow down and soak in the peaceful ambiance. The soft murmur of the ocean, the gentle rustle of palm leaves, and the warm Bahamian sun melting your worries away. It's the perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle of city life. Harbour Island is a quaint, picture-perfect paradise. Coming in at number 6 is the adventurous Grand Bahama. A vibrant jewel in the Bahamian crown, Grand Bahama is a testament to natural splendor and human ingenuity, coexisting in perfect harmony. Sweeping national parks stretch across the island, providing a green oasis teeming with unique flora and fauna. These parks are not only a haven for nature lovers, but also a playground for those seeking to immerse themselves in the wilderness. Beneath the island's surface lies another world, a network of underwater cave systems. These caves, some of the longest in the world, provide a thrilling exploration opportunity for the adventurous at heart. And let's not forget the bustling Port Lucaya marketplace. A lively hub of activity, the market brims with colorful stalls selling everything from local handicrafts to exotic fruits, providing a delightful sensory overload. Grand Bahama is not just an island. It's a world where adventure meets beauty. The Grand Bahamas, where adventure meets beauty. At number 5, we have Bimini, the gateway to the Bahamas. This island is steeped in rich history and lore, making it a destination that is as fascinating as it is beautiful. Bimini is known for its connection to the renowned author Ernest Hemingway, who spent many seasons here in the 30s. He found inspiration in the island's natural beauty, its vibrant fishing scene, and the colorful local culture, all of which fueled his literary masterpieces. But there's more to Bimini than its Hemingway heritage. The island is also home to the mystical Healing Hole. This natural freshwater spring is believed by many to have healing properties. Located in the saltwater mangroves of South Bimini, it's a must-visit for the adventurous and the curious. Bimini's allure doesn't stop there. Its crystal-clear waters, teeming with marine life, make it a paradise for divers and snorkelers alike. With its fascinating blend of history and nature, Bimini is a Bahamian gem waiting to be discovered. Bimini is a fascinating blend of history and nature. Coming in at number 4 is the aptly named Paradise Island. This enchanting haven is a crown jewel in the Bahamas. It's where world-class resorts meet the azure ocean, creating a panorama that's nothing short of breathtaking. Picture the most luxurious accommodations you can imagine, complete with all the amenities to cater to every whim. But Paradise Island is not just about opulent resorts. It's a place where nature's beauty is on full display. Glistening white sand beaches stretch out, inviting you to bask in the sun or take a leisurely stroll. The warm, clear waters beckon you to dive in and explore the underwater world. When the sun sets, Paradise Island transforms into a vibrant playground. The nightlife here is as sparkling as the daytime. From high-energy clubs to laid-back lounges, there's something to fit everyone's taste. Fine dining, live music, and exciting casino action are all part of the island's after-dark allure. Paradise Island truly lives up to its name. At number 3, we have the scenic Abaco Islands. A treasure trove of natural beauty, the Abaco Islands are a paradise that deserve your attention. Picture this: pristine beaches stretching as far as the eye can see, each grain of sand shimmering under the warm Caribbean sun. It's the kind of beauty that steals your breath away and leaves you yearning for more. But the allure of the Abaco Islands extends beyond just its beaches. The islands are home to the famous Hope Town Lighthouse, a candy-striped beacon that stands as a testament to the area's rich maritime history. This iconic structure offers a panoramic view of the surrounding crystal-clear waters that is simply unforgettable. And let's not forget the annual regatta. This festive event is a must-see, where the spirit of competition meets the joy of community, all set against the backdrop of the sparkling Caribbean Sea. The Abaco Islands offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle. So why not immerse yourself in this tranquil oasis on your next vacation? Coming in at number 2 is the serene Eleuthera. This enchanting island, stretching over 100 miles long, is a paradise for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Eleuthera is famous for its breathtaking pink sand beaches, a spectacle that leaves visitors in awe. Imagine the soft, warm sand beneath your feet, taking on a rosy hue as it basks in the golden sunlight. But Eleuthera isn't just about the beaches. It's also home to thriving pineapple farms. Yes, you heard that right. The island is known for its sweet, juicy pineapples, which are a treat for any fruit lover. And let's not forget the secluded coves. Hidden away from the hustle and bustle, these coves are a haven for those who wish to disconnect and immerse themselves in the soothing sounds of nature. Eleuthera truly is a gem in the Bahamas, a destination that invites you to slow down, breathe in the fresh air, and simply enjoy the moment. Eleuthera is the perfect spot for a peaceful retreat. And finally, at number 1, we have the Enchanting Exumas, a tropical paradise with stunning beaches that appear to be painted by the hand of an artist. The water's so clear, you'd think you were looking through a pane of glass. But it's not just the beauty that makes the Exumas special. It's the famous swimming pigs, offering a unique encounter you won't find anywhere else. The Exumas are the ultimate Bahamas experience, waiting for you.